So, in my last video, you probably saw me smashing the shit out of this trailer. Anyway, now get all the bolts removed. Got all the unnecessary garbage cut off, i.e. mounts, tongue, that sort of stuff. Now, you can start widening and lengthening it. I'm going to cut it in the middle, put 2 feet in each one of those, and it'll be 6 feet wide. And once it's all welded back together, actually I think I'm going to cut this one out. I'm going to cut that right out of there. I'm going to put 2 feet in each one of those, weld it back together, and then I'm going to cut the main frame in half again. I'm going to stretch it a bit more, cut those spring mounts off, relocate them. And then we're going to stretch that axle by cutting it, sleeving it, extending it. And yeah. Got a little bit of grinding to do, clean off these old welds, clean off this old shitty paint. And yeah. Coming along pretty nice now. Watch out, little dog. Watch out. The little dog just always helping me. Another little update video on the trailer. As you can see, I worked really hard with the grinder. I cleaned it all up. Give it a little quick coat of primer to keep it from rusting out here. Yeah. Now, started the process of lengthening it. The front bar cut off and cleaned up, ready to re-weld. Now we just got to put some extensions on. Looks like an extension to me. Look at a whole bunch of it sitting there. Sure, it's all full of holes and stuff, but it's like 125 wall. Roughly 1.75" by 1.75" signpost. I just so happen to have one. So, welded this on here. Keep everything nice and straight. Now we're going to put some extensions on. Extensions welded in. Now my frame is 8 feet long instead of 6 feet long. You can probably see it if I get close enough here. You can see these 4 holes are all over top of the old tube. I sleeved it 4 inches. So I've got a total of 16 holes to plug weld in my end seam. So that's going to be nice and strong. Same with that side. And then this side here will just get welded on exactly the way it was welded on back here. So now we stretch it the other way. This way. Once that's done, then we do the same. We stretch that axle. Once that's done, and that's done, and that's done, I'll have a 6x8 frame and an axle that'll fit it. More to come. So, I'm working on this trailer frame. Some more. I got some center bars in. All stretched and extended. Sleeved 4 inches at every stretch, except for that one. That's a solid piece. So this piece is sleeved in here, 4 inches. But because this is getting an angle iron cap, I didn't drill and plug weld this like I did that. That's not getting an angle iron cap. So I drilled it and plug welded it. Same with these are plug welded. They're not getting an angle iron cap. These, I'm getting a cap of angle iron all the way across. Same with that back one way back there. And the cap of angle iron all the way across there. And then these side rails, I don't want to go too far out of the light here, but these side rails here are also going to be capped all the way back with angle iron. And that will match the height difference that I wound up with right here. Hard to see, but slight difference there. This is 1.5 inches, and this is 1.75 inches. This is 1.8 inches. No, 1.25 inches. So it slid right inside this 1.5 inch 16 gauge, really nice, which is what the trailer turned up to be. It's 1.5 inch 16 gauge. This is 1/8 wall. This is also 1/8 wall, 125 wall. So it's coming along. I went from a 4x6 frame to a 6x8 frame. And I just got to put some crosshairs right in here. They're going to go all the way up to there. Probably 2 of them. Like one here or so, and maybe another one here. All the way out, and then out, and then out again. Another set. Bam. 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 So, it's coming. Shop Dog's out here with me again. Hi, Shop Dog. What are you doing? Hi. Oh, cute girl. Okay, more to come. Maybe when it's not dark.